Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Fate Trigger game crashing, crashes as a startup, crashing to desktop, or freezing problem on PC. So without wasting time, let's jump to the solutions. Now the first fix is to simply restart your PC. So don't ignore these steps, just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix to is to modify the game launch options. You can try -dx11 or -dx12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Fate Trigger game, select properties. Now in the launch options type -dx11, then close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, again go to game properties. This time type -dx12, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to verify game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Fate Trigger game, select properties, go to install file tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to run the game from the game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Fate Trigger game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now open the Fate Trigger folder and here you will see Fate Trigger exe file. Right click on it and then select run as administrator and check if that works or not. If not, then open the S1 game folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and here look for the S1 game Win64 shipping exe file. Double click it to launch the game and check if that works or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself. And then check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well. Hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From drop down select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, from drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. And then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. Open C drive. Open program files x86 folder. Open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder. Now open the Fate Trigger folder, open the Fate Trigger folder, and then select this Fate Trigger exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, click on browse all apps, open the S1 game folder, open binaries folder, Win64 folder, select S1 game Win64 shipping exe file, click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Fate Trigger game folder, open Fate Trigger folder, select this Fate Trigger exe file and then click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, open S1 game folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select S1 game, Win64 shipping exe file, click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well and then you can check. Or you can also simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 6 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, click on download. Now once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down, download x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to disable overlays. So disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Fate Trigger Game, select properties, and then in the general tab, turn off the enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just turn it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay, disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Click on add desktop app and then go to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Fate Trigger game folder, open Fate Trigger folder, open S1 game folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and select this S1 game Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech Authorized Master Racing Wheel and the Task or Afterburner Riva Tuner HW Info Razor Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Fate Trigger game. So simply uninstall Fate Trigger game from your PC. Then just restart your PC and reinstall the game to C drive. You can install in hard drive or you can also install in SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive or HDD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Fate Trigger game crashing, crashes at a startup, crashing to desktop or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.